So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. If you're having issues with your Wi-Fi, like for example, all issues with your Wi-Fi, I'll be solving it right for you today. Me, I can't find my Wi-Fi here. So it could be two different forms. It could be an hardware issue. There you have to open your PC or give this to a technician to fix that for you. But I don't think mine is that one. But if it's that, you just have to find a technician nearby one. I trust it, it's going to fix it for you. But if it's like mine, like the issue I'm facing right now, let's get to solving that issue now. So go ahead to click here and click on service. So if your Wi-Fi is missing or it's telling you couldn't connect, this is what should solve your issue. Now double tap here and click on W. So W should take you to the W section. And what you just have to look for is the WLAN AutoConfig. So click enter on this and make sure the setup type is automatic and it is running. So once you're done, click on OK and cancel. So if it's not, you have to set it to that. The next thing to do is to click on your Windows and check for device manager. So I'm going to open my device manager right now. This is it, device manager. And let's try to zoom in on this so you can see what I'm talking about here. So the next thing to do is to locate your network adapter and find something having a name like this, your Wi-Fi adapter. So this is my Wi-Fi adapter here, Intel R Wi-Fi 6 8 times 201 160 hertz. So this is what you have to look for. Megahertz, I don't know. Megahertz. This is what you have to look for. So what you have to do here is if you can't find this, where to click on any part of the system, for example, your name or stuff. Now click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. You should find this. If not, click on view and click on show hidden devices. You should show all devices here. So what I should do here is to double tap on this. Since you can see that sign there telling me, yeah, it is not. Yeah, so let's go. So click here on drivers, click here on enable driver, and yeah, I feel like this should work here. So if you check your PC, you can actually find your Wi-Fi working here. So if it doesn't still work, just go ahead and click on updates, or if you're finding it hard to connect with that Wi-Fi, go ahead and click on updates, browse my computer for driver. Let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer. You can pick any of this one that you feel is going to work for you. Once you're done, click on next and click on install. It's going to install it automatically into your PC and you have to restart to solve the issue. Or if it's an update, you can just roll back the update to make it work. But if it still doesn't work, go ahead to open your Chrome and yes, search for, let's just put this to Wi-Fi HP. So if you're using a Dell PC, put Wi-Fi driver Dell download. It's going to download the driver for you and you're going to install it right on your PC by following the prompt and all that. So the next thing to do if you can't get this is to install this particular app I like using best, Driver Booster. So this is it here, Driver Booster 13. So what you have to do is you have to be connected to your internet. Most people might be like, how will I be connected to my internet when I don't have my Wi-Fi installed? You can use what they call Ethernet. So go ahead to use Ethernet to be connected to your internet. So what you have to do here is to scan for changes, and it's going to scan. It's going to take a few minutes, a couple minutes to scan for every change that you find there, and it's going to download this for you by just clicking on the download button there. And once you download this, you have to restart your PC to make your Wi-Fi come back. So this is how to solve any issue you are facing with Wi-Fi on Windows 10, 11, 8, or whatsoever. So if you found this video very useful, share to people having the same issue and try to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.